I once struggled to understand why coral reefs are called the rainforests of the sea. It was during a snorkeling trip that I realized their vibrant diversity. Just like rainforests, coral reefs are teeming with life, providing shelter and food for countless marine species. The tip: spend time observing nature closely. It opens your eyes to the interconnectedness of life. This realization made me more conscious of my environmental impact. By reducing plastic use, I contribute to preserving those underwater wonders. Remember, small changes can lead to big impacts. Let's protect our planet's treasures.